Okay, I'm such an idiot, sorry. The error clearly says that the ray shooter has not been assigned yet. The model, the mesh, sorry. So hand to hand is this one, and then the M4 model, which is that one there. Save it. Now if I press 1, obviously nothing will happen. I want you to keep an eye on the enum as well. As you can see, it's M4. If I press 2, watch it straight away change into hand to hand, and watch the hands zoom up. There we are. And you can see that change as well. Perfect. If I press 1 again, it will enable my gun. 2, hand to hand. 1, gun. Good. Now that we got that out of the way, we can actually start preparing the function that's going to make the damage system for the hand to hand. And that's this one over here. So the first thing you want to do is we want the animations to play. So I'm going to say hand to hand model dot animation dot crossfade, open bracket, closing curly brace, and inside this I'm going to say anime name, open square bracket, random dot range, open bracket, close the square bracket, comma, 0.2. I'll explain that in a minute. The first thing I'm going to say here is 0. I'll explain that as well. Then I'm going to put anime name dot length, like so. That's it. Now what we're seeing here is look for the model hand to hand and what's assigned to it. Go through the animations and play all the animations from 0 and all the way down to how long the list is, and play them in a random order. Now the 0.2 is the crossfade, how long it takes to crossfade into that animation. Now saying that, I forgot to assign the names, so let's do that next quickly. So a hand to hand model is this one, I think. Nope, not that one. Let me quickly find it. Okay, found it. Good. Where is this? Alright. Over here we have anime name. And we want to assign 4 because it's 4 animations. First one is called left punch. Next one is right underscore punch. Then the next one is left space uppercut. And you guess the last one. I'm pretty much going to copy the left one, paste it there, and change that with the right. Super. Alright, and also I want to apply the random sounds. Now I have 2 sounds which I'm going to apply. One is called Kung Fu something, Kung Fu Punch, and the other one is it's in my sound file, I can't remember the name by heart. It's swoosh, there we go. That's gonna go in there. Save that, back into the script. So I've got the animations set up as well. So that's what it basically does. It's just gonna play the animation in random order. So now that we've done that, we actually want to create the raycast. So we're gonna say var hit hand to hand ray. It's gonna be a type ray cast hit. And we're going to tell direction. We're going to tell the raycast what direction it should go in. So that's going to be var direction hand to hand, and it's going to be a type vector3. It's going to be equals to transform dot Oops. Form direction. That's one word. And open bracket, close bracket, closing curly brace, closing bracket and closing semicolon. Sorry. I'm gonna say the direction it should go is in vector 3 dot forward, like so. Alright, that's fine. Now that we've done that, we want to debug the array so we can see it. So debug dot draw array, and then I'm going to say open bracket, close bracket, closing semicolon, save, and then where's the array going to come from? Our transform dot position, comma the direction, so direction hand to hand, times attack range. The color is whatever you want. I'm just going to put red dot red. Alright, that's just for testing purposes. Now let's start creating the raycast. So if open bracket, close bracket, oops, closing curly brace, open curly brace, sorry, and closing curly brace. Copy this if statement and put it inside of this if statement like so. Okay. First one's going to say physics dot raycast, open bracket, close bracket, transform dot position, comma direction hand to hand, comma hit hand to hand ray, yep, and the range, so that's attack range. And inside this we're going to check for collision. So if it hits something, then do something. So we're going to say hit hand to hand ray dot collider dot game object dot compare tag, open bracket, close bracket, two speech marks, and I'm going to look for enemy. So if I hit an enemy, I want something to happen. Then all I'm going to say over here is hit hand to hand ray dot collider dot send message upwards, open bracket, close bracket, closing semicolon, and I'm going to look for the function in my AI damage script, which in this case is called apply damage. So we're going to put apply damage, and then we want to apply damage to it. So I have a variable set from before for the ray shoot script, the ray shoot function, sorry, which just took 10 minus 10 in health. So I'm just going to use the same thing. So damage, that's going to take 10 away from the health of the cube or bad guy, comma send message option dot do not require receiver. Save that, and that's pretty much done. Just double checking it. That closes that, that closes that, and we're good. Now the sound is left. You can pretty much just copy this one over here, the animation one, put that there. Just change the first name to random attack sound, and instead of playing audio, put audio dot play one shot, and over here I'm going to put the variable that contains the audios, and that is, I forgot the name already, come on, random attack sound. I'm going to copy that and replace the anime name over here and put that there, and get rid of this 0.2 and the comma, and save.